애써 참다 참 romanization. 애써요 참다 참다. Esseo equals with effort, trying hard. Chamda, to endure, hold back, repeated for emphasis. Literal, try hard, hold back, hold back. 아까 인사한 저엔 누구야? Romanization, 아까 인사한 누구야? 누구야? 아까, earlier, a moment ago. 인사한, greeted, grinmid, 저요, 애는, that, person. 누구야, who is it? Literal, the person I greeted earlier, who is that? Natural English, who's that person you greeted earlier? 왜 그렇게 웃어주는 거야? 왜 equals why, lie, 그렇 that way. Smile, 주는, giving, doing for. Are you, liu, literal. Why are you smiling like that? For them. 처음 느껴보는 feeling. Romanization, 난생 처음 느껴본 feeling. For the first time in my life. 느껴보는, feeling, experiencing. From 느끼다, 보다, English word. The first time in life experiencing feeling. Natural English, it's a feeling I've never felt before. 머린 spinning, 숨겨지지 않네, 미친. Your spinning, some and, 미친, yeah. 머린 equals my head, 머린. Spinning, English, 숨겨지지, cannot be hidden. 않네, not ending ne adds emotional tone. 미친, crazy. My head spinning can't be hidden. Crazy, yeah. 점점 더, gradually, more and more. 더 equals more. Literal, more and more. Natural, getting stronger. 참을 수 없어. 참을 수 to endure, k to hold back. Equals object marker, connects verb to object. Don't worry, it's always attached. 수 equals way, ability, possibility. 없어, there is not, can't. Literal, endure, way not. Natural, can't hold it in, can't take it anymore.